students, today we are studying the experiment to measure the temperature of sodium flame by studying the reversal of the spectrum lines, D lines. Clear? What is the name of the experiment? Determination of temperature of sodium flame by reversing the spectrum of D lines. You know that where there are different types of the spectrum: absorption spectrum, emission spectrum, infrared spectrum, and in the similar manner there is a D line type of spectrum that you have been studied in theory in physics paper 1. Borkar sir had taught you in that unit. So we have to study the temperature of sodium flame. Now sodium flame means what? What is sodium? Sodium salt. It is sodium salt means what? NaCl, sodium chloride. So here we are using this sodium salt. This sodium salt is poured on this particular this is called as the asbestos sheet. Asbestos sheet. Okay, so this is a burner, gas burner. We have to on this gas burner. At the same time, on this particular thing we have to sprinkle some salt. Okay, that will do the work of sodium. Clear? This is the first part. Now the second, what is the second part? Second part is there is a supply. This is a bulb of 500 watt. You see, this is a bulb of 500 watt, and it is connected to the voltmeter as well as emitter. Clear? Then this is inserted into the plug. The plug is inserted into the socket. With the help of regulator, you have to switch on the bulb. When bulb is switched on, the radiation from the bulb is coming on this lens. Okay? These radiations are captured over here. Okay? And on this is a spectrometer. You are well familiar with this spectrometer. It should be kept in this manner: 180, 360 degree. That is these two, window 1 and window 2. Clear? These two are in opposite faces. Here there is no role of spectrometer. We do not have to take the readings of the spectrometer. We have to take the reading of only voltmeter and emitter. Clear? So what is our first purpose? First of all, you set the spectrometer. This spectrometer is set in a proper way. Okay? This is called as the collimator. This is called as the telescope, and this is a grating stand. So you have to set that 500 watt bulb, 500 watt bulb, lens, burner, and spectroscope in one line. Clear? In this fashion you have to arrange the entire instrument. Clear? They should be parallel and equidistant from each other. Clear? Is that okay? Agree? And first of all, you have to switch on the light. Okay? And intensity of that light has to be increased up to maxima. Clear? So when I put this plug into the socket and switch on the light with the help of regulator, I am making the intensity of the bulb maximum. See, this is the maximum intensity of the bulb. This is the maximum intensity of the bulb. The light is glowing tremendously. Clear? Now this light, you focus on the light properly from this side, you will find a inverted V in the bulb. Inverted V is seen in the bulb. That is nothing but the filament of that bulb. It is the old bulb. Okay? So the filament of that bulb is focused over here in the V-shaped manner. There, that is in the inverted V, and this should be in the direct V. That is a inverted V, and that inverted V has a image on this lens. This is a, which lens this is? This is convex lens. Convex lens always form the real image. So real image is your V. So you are observing V over here, and you have to open this aperture. Clear? And when V is observed, that light is focused from this side. Clear? A V-shaped light is seen. Clear? Is that okay? And this light is a tungsten filament. This is the light of this light is a tungsten filament. It is not the sodium light. Clear? And its slit is observed in the spectroscope. you have to make it as fine as possible, as narrow as possible, and make it coincide with the vertical cross wire. And you do not have to take the reading of this at all. Clear? Is that okay? Then you have to switch on this gas. When this gas is switched on, sodium salt is poured on this and the flame is glowing up. And when the flame is glowing up, you will see the sodium flame, and the sodium flame consists of the D lines, that is called as the D lines. And when you put a grating on this spectroscope over here, in the grating you will get a diffraction spectra. In that spectra there is a 7 color spectra Vibgyor. In the 7 color spectra, one line of that light, that is Passovand bulb, clear? That light, one line of light is in the middle of that spectra. So you have to adjust this voltage in such a manner, clear? You have to adjust the intensity of light in such a manner that that yellow line between the Vibgyor spectra should be collapsed. And when it is collapsed, you have to note the voltage and ampere. You have to note the voltage and ampere. So you have to take this reading 3 times. One is at 100 volt, second is at 130 volt, and third is at 150 volt. Clear? And you have to, for that voltage, you have to note the corresponding current. Then find out the resistance R equal to V upon I. Then take the mean resistance. Then using the formula of temperature coefficient of sodium light, what was that formula? It is, the formula is RT minus R0, that is room temperature. ठीक है? Clear? Upon RT into alpha plus R2 upon R1 into T1. This is the formula. Using this formula, you will find out the temperature of sodium flame, and it near about 700 to 800. It is near about between 700 to 800 in degree centigrade. In degree centigrade. Clear? Is that okay? So this is the entire experiment, and this is the last experiment of this semester. Clear? You will get all the videos of the experiment of 5th sem today itself. Then prepare for Viva. The examination is on 21. Okay? So best of luck for that examination.